Chat. What is good? What is good? What is good? Yo, let me change this music. Whoa. What happened there? Nice. What's good, chat? How we doing? Good morning. How's everyone doing today? Let's get it. So, welcome back, man. Welcome back. You definitely got to pump some irons to this. Oh, yeah, bro. This is, that was a screamer of a gym tune. I can't lie. I got a few more. I'll play it on the outro, but yeah. An absolute screamer. What's good, everyone, though? How you all doing, man? It's good. Adam, Spion, Michael, Blinksy, Mark, what's up? Jan, how you doing? Malinko, I see you all in here. Who's in here, man? Who's in here? Yeah, good morning. Good morning. It's gonna be a good day today, man. It's gonna be a good day. Gold is already pushing. So, can we take advantage of the push? Well, I'm pretty sure we can. Chat, we gapped again on the open today. What's that about? So technically gold right now on the weekly is actually just reflipped. Sorry, that was the weekly I was talking about. Yeah, technically we're bearish on the weekly right now. We've reflipped. Since the candle open would have been here, we're technically bearish. Obviously today's daily is looking at the daily time frame though. What I want to say is we're respecting this level again and again, right? You see, we keep coming in and tapping up here at like 23.37, and we keep respecting it, and then we also keep closing below this area here at 23.33, which is a huge level. So I think we have some room to come down today, to be honest. Yeah, I'd say at least 23.15. We have room to come down to 23.15 at least, I would say. If not, you're gonna look to fill sort of 2300-ish if you do start to properly push down. Especially bearing in mind that, well, the weekly's just opened. We made a top wick, but we haven't really gone anywhere, to be honest. We've not really done anything. We need to pick a direction and we need to make a push. Now, whether that's today, obviously, I'm not sure. We do have some news today. Let me just check what we have again. I'm pretty sure Powell's speaking at 2:30. Yeah, so you have job openings news at 3 and Powell's speaking at 2:30. So might be a little bit interesting, but at least there'll be volume, right? At least there'll be volume. So that's for New York Open. And yeah, now if we drop to the 4, we see the 4 looks good. I'm not gonna lie, the 4 looks really nice. The 4's come up, grabbed the top wick, and now flipped. Is that music too loud for you guys? It probably is. Yeah, so the 4's come up, grabbed the top wick, and now flipped. And now you're looking for it to sort of continue pushing down. I think you have room till at least 23.23. If not, you're looking to fill these wicks down here at 23.18, I would say, as a minimum. Now, the important stuff, where can we have our levels? Where are we going to get our positions? Well, I would say, for me, to be honest, I think we could take some sells below 23.5. Now, let me just look. I'm gonna have to lower it a little bit to this area here. Let me just check. Yeah, I think that's clean, to be honest. The other thing you could do is obviously you could push it down to 23.19, but I think if we close below here, we can take advantage of that push to 23.19 itself. So, yeah, I think you can look to take advantage of that push there. Obviously, if we do then come and start to push down, we'll look for closures below sort of 23.17-ish. Yeah, that's the next clean level for sure. Below 23.17, or even 23.16.9, same thing. After we close below there, that's even better. But hopefully, I mean not hopefully, but every time you've closed below, you've pushed down to at least 23.19.2 as a minimum. So if we do close below 23.22.6. we can look to take an advantage of that. And yeah, in terms of buyers, what would we have to look at? Well, for me, to be honest, I'm just trying to see if you have something you can take advantage of here. Nah. So for buyers, I'm going to want to see a closure back above this area here at 23.34.3, I think, as a minimum. Any closures above there? It might even need to be higher, chat, I can't lie. just a choppy range for buys, in my opinion. It's not the nicest. Yeah, it's going to be 23.35.6. Anything above there is good for buys, definitely. It's just a little bit far away, but I'm not too interested in the buys right now. I think, yeah, I just think it's a little bit choppy. So, actually, let me just see one sec. We have a level here. Let me see. Yeah, you can do, actually. You can do. Okay, so if we close into this level here and then back above 23.27.8, then we can look to get some buys. But as of right now, that doesn't mean I can take sells below here, because we have closed in here and already filled the range, right? So doesn't mean I can take sells, but buys are going to be above 23.27.8, potentially to fill the top of the range up again. Other than that, though, we'll have to wait till 23.35, and then sells, like we just said, are going to be below this area here at 23.22.6. Does that make sense, chat? Hopefully it does. Hopefully it does. And yeah. Cool. Oh, what? That is not the tool that I wanted right there. Not the rectangle I wanted. Cool. Hang on one sec. Let me just do these things. Hey buddy, how's your day going? Yesterday I took a trade off of consolidation around 23.23, got a clean 42 pips. Hey, let's go, bro. 23.23. Yeah, that's a nice area to take a trade, bro. Huge. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Yeah, chat. Yesterday we took in the signals channel we took a win. It was only 15 pips, nothing too major, but you take it, right? It's a good start to the quarter. We actually took an onion play off the 30-minute. I probably took the same trade as you, Curious Weirdo. We took a buy at 23.23 as well, around this area here. But yeah, it was pretty clean, I can't lie. Chat, give me a second. Yo, we're back. Hay fever is kicking my ass right now. I can't lie. What's good, everyone? What's good, Robin? What's good, Craig? Atomic Habit. Danny, what's good? Save me, man. GBP did me bad. Oh no, what'd you do? What'd you do on GBP? What's good, Bedge? What's good, Dion? Yeah, I'm doing well, my man. How are you? God's taking the piss this week, man. Prints a clean setup. I enter and it rips up, no bottom wick to stop loss. What, this setup here or what? Did you go off the rip? What did you take, Crypto? Morning, Charlie. What's good, brother? Why so many gaps on the one? Yeah, there is gaps on the one. That's true. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with TradingView as well. Look at this. I looked at EURUSD yesterday. Bro, this shit looks horrible. Look at that. I've got no clue why that is, chat. Absolutely no clue, but like... horrible fucking... I don't know if it's TradingView, if it's Oanda, I don't know what it is, but... not nice. Whatever it is. It's the broker that the chat is hosted on. Yeah, but Oanda is like... Oanda is the most... it's meant to be the most, like, reliable broker to chart on. Because it's the most used broker in the world, or one of them. So it's a bit strange. What if we look at like I don't know, let's look at IC markets. There's a small gap, but there's more gaps on this one. There's more gaps like all over the place, but they're smaller. What about like, what's another good one? I guess forex.com. Oh, wow. See, that's way better. Now you can actually see what the daily and weekly actually look like. I might have to chat on here actually, chat. Hang on, wait, let me how do I add this? Is there a difference? No, it's actually not. This chart's way better as well. I mean, I'll stick with Wanda for the moment. Obviously, we're on stream right now. I'm gonna look at this afterwards though, because yeah, if it's gapping like that, I don't want to be taking fucking. I don't want to be looking at that all day. It looks horrible. Thoughts on gold today? Just go back like 10 minutes and watch the analysis, Rosie. But I think, depending, the daily could flip here. I mean, we've grabbed some liquidity. Have a look at this daily now. See, yeah, we grabbed some liquidity. However, I think like I said, we tapped into these areas that we've tapped into before, right? This 2334, 2332 area that we've rejected off of massively in the past, and yeah, there's a high potential that we do reject off of it. Now, at the minute, the weekly and the daily haven't really picked a direction, so you need to sort of wait for that to happen before you can sort of say where the overall move for the day, week, month is. But until that happens, yeah, we're pretty much sat in the dark. Right now, however, if this 30 minutes starts to close back above, but back above 2327.8, you could potentially look for some buys. I don't think that would be a bad play. You should fill that range up then after doing that. I think every time you close up here, you push to at least, yeah, 2330. As a minimum, most of the time you fill the range. We'll see though, chat, we'll see. Alternatively, if we close back in this range on the one, if we close below 2327 and we grab a top wick for the previous hourly, we can look to take sells on the flip down to fill that wick. But as always with London, chat, the price right now is not the best. Not the best. 4 hour did look clean to come down, but we sort of filled the range already, right? So, buy or sell. Yeah, both, my boy. Good raise. What's good, Noodle Hots? Is there any reason you don't use indicators? Yeah, the reason is that it's a lag. Indicators are all lagging, right? They're all behind. So indicators only update when there's a closure. Yeah. For example, RSI, right? If you look at RSI, right, it only makes a change when there's a closure. I mean, it'll move slightly, but yeah, but you know, it's just too delayed for me. It doesn't work in my opinion. And also, yeah, it doesn't really work. I don't like it. What I left for 1 minute, yeah. Last hope to either get funded or losing the prop. You gotta take your time, Danny. Don't think about it like that. Just drop the risk and just trade for the sake of trading. Literally it, man. Yeah, just take your time. Hi, Trent, how you doing, buddy? What's good, Lone Trader? How are you, bro? How are you? Like the stream chat for the chance to win a weekend at the castle. Bro, I wish. I wish. Yeah, chat, no, seriously though, like the stream, it would be much appreciated. If you get to 50 likes, that'd be huge. Really does help boost us. We're at 3.5k now too as well. Oh, we're getting close. I think we're like a couple of follows off. It's fucking insane, to be honest. Absolutely ridiculous. Crazy, crazy support from you guys. Drop your risk to 0.5%, you got this bond. Yeah, exactly. Bro, yeah. But yeah, no, 100%. Like, I would say, especially when you go into drawdown, you want to drop that risk. I also think when you get close to the profit target, you should drop the risk too. News today, yeah, indeed. You got Powell speaking, and you've got job openings at 3. So it's going to be a volatile day, especially New York session. It's going to be very, very volatile. So be careful if you're trading that, chat, for real. It's important that you, yeah. Sam, how you doing with the funded? The one from, what's it called? The one from Funded Trading Plus that I made the video about is up. I think, let me just check. Up 3% or something. I'm just loading it up now. Up 3%, I think, right now. Profit target's 10%, so technically 30% of the way there, I think. 2.5%. Yeah. ACG, I haven't been trading that one really. I think it's up like 6%. It was up, I think it's up 5% or something like that. I don't know. I haven't really been trading it. I've been focused on this FTP one. And I have one with Arctic too right now, but I'm not really trading funders, to be honest, Mark. I've been focused on just my personal, to be honest, trying to scale that. Because I want to show you guys that it's very possible to responsibly scale a personal. So that's been my main focus, is doing that. Like, the signals are directly linked to one of my personal accounts. And I want to show you guys that, you know, over time you can quite aggressively but still responsibly scale those accounts. That's my main focus at the minute. You copy all your trades from the live to your funded? Nah, I don't. I copy to one funded, but that's it. What's your percentage on the personal? I'd have to look it up, bro. I don't like looking at that stuff. What do you mean percentage risk? Or percentage profit? Percentage risk, I'm doing like between 2 to 4%. Profit wise, I don't know right now. I'd have to look it up. Because I don't know, I'm quite not superstitious, but yeah, I'd say superstitious. I don't like to look at that stuff. I like to keep it out of my head. It's definitely up. I think we're somewhere like 10% up the last 2 months, something like that. But 10%. Yeah. I think we were like something like 13% up before we took that loss on Friday. I think we're sat around 10% up right now, which is decent, right? It's not bad. It's actually definitely not bad. 10% is very good, I think. That SG code doesn't work with ACG. Yeah, I think you can use it once and then you have to use a different code. Anything below 4 to 5% for risking is very healthy, realistic. I actually stopped blowing accounts when I started this. Yeah, that's the thing. You have to sort of understand that a lot of people want to risk 10-20% of their account. But then like, because they think that'll make them more, but in the long run, it actually just makes them way, way less. So, yeah, you have to be smart with it. You have to be sensible. But chat, look at this. So, we're coming up to the 1 hour close here in 3 minutes time. We've grabbed a lot of liquidity on the one. If you could close bullish here, I mean, it's quite big stops, but you should fill the top of this range. I don't see why you'd reject this hard and then not fill the top of the range. Every time we close in here, we be fair. There are quite a few rejections over here at this area here. 23.31. Sure, you make a lot of money when you hit TP, but you oh wait, what? Why the fuck is it covered up? Right, it's so weird. Why is my... But yeah, it'll make you lose way more as well. Yeah, 100%. Now that's the thing people don't understand, or they don't think about. They just see the... realistically, when you enter a trade, you should be thinking about how much you can lose rather than how much you can make. If you're ever thinking about... I've never done it, but if you're ever thinking about how much you can make if you hit TP, you have the wrong mindset. That shit is dangerous, chat. Really, really dangerous. Yeah, think about how much you're going to lose rather than how much you're going to make. And then that'll change your mindset too. You should be asking yourself, you know, are you comfortable losing this amount of money or not? Crazy, chat. We just flipped on the 1 hour here. You might see it push last minute. It might close no top wick. Mark, what's good? You're saying my name. Keep my wife's name out your mouth. You talk with ACG because your code doesn't work and other people have that problem. Yeah, bro. I mean, it lets you use it first time, but second time, I don't think it lets you use it. But yeah, I do need to change that, to be honest. You need to change that. Just because you've already bought an account with my code. But you can use June 20 and you still get money off. How are you going to make gazillions? I don't care about the affiliate commission. That's not a big deal. As long as, the main thing is as long as you guys get a discount. So you can use June 20. Gives you 20% off still. Chat, I'm going to load my brokerage up real quick. Just in case. Okay, cool. Okay, chat, we did close pretty much no top wick there. It's not ideal for me. Not ideal for me at all, to be honest. You are coming down first, sort of, but yeah, I can't take it. Goes right at this level here too. Look at this, chat. Look at this rejection area here. Like, we've done that in the past quite a few times. It's just not even close enough to a setup for me, really. I mean, yeah, this could push up, and it probably will, right? It probably will, I can't lie. But, for me right now, it's too much. Too much that's not right. So I'm gonna wait for this to play out. Big ass stops as well. Yeah, true. True. Yeah, 75 pip stops. Not too bad, but it's not ideal. Yeah, if you look recently though, the trades that we've been taking have had the craziest, not the craziest, but definitely small stops compared to the people that we're sort of, or compared to a lot of people that trade the same way as we do, right? You'll see like our stop loss has been 45, 60, 31, 60, 55, 55, 30, 27, 30, 25, 50, 50, 50, 47, 56. So somewhere between like 25 and 50 pips on average. That's not bad, you know. That's really not bad. But yeah, man. Yeah, how are you guys getting on with the journal? I know there was a few teething errors, but we got them fixed. Hopefully just journaling this trade on its own is been good for you guys. Hopefully it's been good. But yeah, chat, listen, I'm going to wait for the next 30-minute close, probably. What's good, Nathaniel? How you doing, brother? What's good, Zulu? Tell me how to pronounce the first name you got there, because I don't want to call you the wrong name, but it's a difficult name to pronounce, I can't lie. What's good, FNAM? Let's go, G, on my break again. Fire, bro, good shit. Taxi hour, what's good? Good morning. Yeah, drop a like if you haven't already. My time zone +7 when I trade London, it shows Tokyo session. How far away was that? Like how far back was the trade? Because if it's before 8 o'clock in the morning, like if it was more than an hour ago, it is Tokyo session. Even though some people call it London, at 8 o'clock my time, so an hour ago my time. Before that is Tokyo. Better than TradeZilla. Hey, let's go, bro. I appreciate that. Where do I get the fixed version? Just go and re-download it, Matt, from the same link. Just go and re-download it. One hour, yeah. It'll show Tokyo, and that's fine because it is technically Tokyo. Any trade before like 8:30, 8 UK time is Tokyo session. You can change it if you want, to be honest, but yeah, it won't make that much of a difference. See how we're like hovering here? We don't want to push really. As I say that, it pushes, but you know what I mean. Just not the cleanest trade. If it wanted to push, probably would have done it already. I can't lie. But we're hovering here, and you don't really want to be stuck in that sort of hovering situation. So yeah, man, we gotta wait for the next 30-minute candle closure. That's in 25 minutes time, 24 minutes time. That's okay though, chat. Remember, we're gonna stay patient. We took a first win of the quarter yesterday. And yeah, I'm gonna stay disciplined, stay patient, keep pushing. I feel like I need more vitamins. What's a good multivitamin? Or do I just get any random one? I feel like I need to, I don't know, level up. I'm gonna sneeze. Cool. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, brother. Got my trade today, SG. Stream in the background, W discipline. Good shit, man. Good shit. What's good, Jay, though? How you doing? Trend will level you up, lol. Yeah, trust me, it will. It will. I probably should get on that, eh? Oh my god, just saw in your journal it has the European date writing in it. Finally, a journal that has the normal date. I know, bro, I know. Yeah, no way was I going to use the American format. Fuck that. It annoys me so much, beyond belief. Nah, so we've got the European date format, of course. Well, most of you guys are from Europe anyway, so if I put the American one, it'd be stupid. Also, I'm from Europe, and I want to use the European format. Yeah, fuck the other way around, to be honest. Hey, Trent, have you seen the new skyscraper building in New York? It's crazy. No, I haven't seen it. I haven't seen it. What is it? What's it called? What's good, Nicola? How you doing, brother? What's good? What's good? July already. I've been experienced, good and bad, mostly because I break my plan, copy trading since I start trading. Time to lock in, time's flying. Yeah, time is flying, man. Just, yeah, lock in, don't break your plan. Try not to just copy trade as well. That's an important one. I would say, yeah, it's very important not to copy trade. I think we can take buys above 23.32 as well. My hair fake? No, why would it be fake? It's just wet right now. Well, it's like half wet because I got out of the shower. As always, right? Is it fake, bro? That's crazy. Nah, it's not. Morning, gang. Hope it was good. What's good, Matt? How you doing, brother? Yeah, never copy trade, guys. You won't get payouts. Yeah, Jules. You're just a special case, my friend. Nah, there's nothing wrong with copy trading, of course, but you just also need to understand the trades. But I think that's where, you know, successful people that do take signals come in, right? They understand the trade as well, so they can manage their risk, or they can also choose not to take trades because they don't like the risk appetite or whatever it is, you know. So it just depends. It really does. Bro's wearing a wig. Yeah. Sure. What's your point of view on fasting? Fasting's really good for you, man. Fasting's really good. I used to do it quite a lot, but yeah, I don't really do it as much anymore now that I'm bulking because I need to get as much food in as possible, and I can't. I get hungry in the morning now. But when I'm cutting or when I'm dieting, yeah, definitely fast. It's really good for you. It really is. But yeah, also like I did the other day. I did a 24-hour fast, just like a water fast. And that felt good. That felt really good. I'm not sure how these crazy people do like a 72-hour fast, like Tyler and people like that. Though that is next level. I think I go a bit crazy. 72-hour fast is just fucking mad. Do you do push-pull legs? Yeah, no, so I do some variation of that. I have my own sort of weird split. I don't know if it's a bro split or an Arnold split or something like that, but I do essentially push, pull, then I do shoulders, and then I do legs. So it's like pretty much the same thing. I just add a shoulder day in there. And then I do abs on the shoulder day as well. Yeah. Trend line split, indeed, indeed. What's good, GG? How you doing? I mean, I enter my trade due to the mental live stream like you or TTE. Even a win, I just noticed I had that feeling that it isn't me trading. So I got to learn the knowledge for a past year, and I decided to just trade on my own now without live stream. Of course, I still jump on because I'm at work, so I'm not trading. Just want to learn from you. Yeah. Fair enough, bro. That's completely fair enough. Who would have thought you'd have 2 South African viewers? Brother, we have like a lot of South African viewers. Not 2, bro. We have lots. There's a lot of South Africans in here. A lot of Germans in here. There's a lot of people from all over there. Yeah, there's loads of people, man. Yesterday I did legs workout, today back and chest. Nice, bro. I trained legs yesterday too. A good session. Representing. Haven't seen any other ones. Yeah, Nathaniel is, you are, Dion is, Zulu is. I'm pretty sure there's some others as well. Yeah, man, there's a lot. Means I need to take a trip to Cape Town or somewhere like that soon. We were actually looking at like places to buy in Cape Town yesterday. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty sick. Cheap as fuck as well. Just so cheap. Insanely cheap. Have you ever experienced body dysmorphia, gym bro? I don't know if it's. I don't know. I think everyone who goes to the gym has some like form of body dysmorphia. It's just not being satisfied with what you see. Like, you know, you want to just train more and get bigger. So yeah, I think everyone has that. I don't think it's an issue. It's actually quite a good thing, to be honest. Like, I've never seen why people. Yeah, I understand like if it's ruining your mental health or whatever, maybe, but all it's gonna do is just make you want to work out more. Stop copy trading and doing it off my own back so I can learn from my mistakes. Yeah, that's important. That's important. First time to the stream, UK here. Great journal. Keep up the work. Really impressed. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Appreciate it, man. Welcome as well. Welcome to the community. We've got some good vibes going on here, man. There's a lot of value, a lot of free value, and yeah, it's just a wholesome community in itself. So yeah, welcome. You're definitely in the right place. What's your max rep squat? I can do 3 plates, max 1 rep. Bro, I have not squatted since I was about 18. 19. No, not 18. Since I was probably like 19. So I don't know, bro. My legs are quite strong, but I don't know what my max squat is. I reckon I could do 3 plates. Well, I can bench 3 plates, so I must be able to squat it, right? Or maybe not. Maybe not. SG looks skinny until he takes off the jumper. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. But today I skipped chest because my back hurts so bad and I can't even walk. Yeah, we'll skip it then. 100%. You don't want to be training there, man. How old are you? 23. Yeah, 23. Still trying to bench 2 plates. Good shit, bro. Yeah, 2 plates is a good milestone to have, man. I was gassed when I first hit that. Yeah, and then the first time I hit 3 plates, I didn't even record it, which is shit, to be honest. It was like 2 months ago. I can do a deadlift like Anatoly. Yeah. Start cleaning the deadlift platform and just pick it up. Achievement unlocked, 2 plates. Yeah, we have 13 minutes to this 1 hour close right now. Let's see if we can get a nice little closure. If we can close above this area here at 23.31, we can look to see if we can take a position upwards. Otherwise, I've got a feeling that we might reject here based off of the closure on the 1 hour. So, yeah, I'm going to want to see what happens there. But every time you do close above here on the 30, you come up to, I would say, at least 23.33 in the past. Every single time. Even if you reject like this, you came up and tapped 23.33. You should have some room there. Yeah, so let's see. We are getting close to the 4 hour close though. That's in 42 minutes. So if it doesn't happen on this 30, then we'll wait for that. But I'm still looking at this 30 to see what happens. You take creatine daily? I actually don't, bro. I actually don't. I should do, but I always like forget it and shit, and it tastes not very nice, so I don't really do it. But you should. You should. W on gold, 45 pips. Let's go, Akeen. Good stuff, man. That's a W. A big dub. Protein powder? Yeah, I eat a lot of protein powder. Protein powder is not going to kill you. Brent? Yeah. Get on... No, actually, you're young. I don't want to say that. I was just joking as well. You shouldn't do any substances like that, but Brent will make you big and strong. Apparently it feels fucking amazing. Actually, no. Some people say that and some people say the opposite. I dry scoop creatine, then I drink some water. Yeah, Neo, that is fucking criminal. I can't lie. That is absolutely psychopathic. Dry scooping creatine. Oh. I suppose it's a fast way to get it done. But it's just like so chalky. You know Togi? Yeah, bro. I actually messaged Togi on Instagram when he was on like 20k followers. We had a little short conversation. But now he's gone next level. Guy's blown up. But yeah, I was watching him from... Not watching him, but I was looking at his stuff from when he was literally on like 20k followers. He was on less followers than me. He was on less followers than me for a long time. And then he just popped off. Kind of crazy. Is he giving you Tren? No chance. No chance I get it off a guy like that if I wanted to. Does he still gamble? Yeah, what do you mean? This guy's crazy. I don't like what he promotes though. I don't like that he promotes the drugs and the gambling. I don't like that at all. That's why I stopped watching his stuff. The steroid stuff, when he was like doing that with the gym, I was okay with. Because like, it's somewhat a joke, but it's also not. But then when he starts talking about cocaine and gambling and all that stuff, I was like, nah, like, that's just degeneracy. Absolute degen behavior. But from what I've seen and what people tell me, I think he's making like 60, 70k a month on Kick, so I think that's probably why he does that. But yeah, they sort of sell their souls. It's crazy. I've noticed this a lot with influencers. The moment they get somewhat big, they get a gambling contract and then they sell their souls. It's just, yeah, not ideal. Also, like a lot of people don't see what goes on behind the scenes with stuff like that. Like all the money that he gambles, he gets back. Like all of these influencers that are gambling on stake or whatever, like Aiden Ross or whoever it is, the money that they gamble, they just get back the next day. They're not actually gambling their own money. They're not stupid. They just have deals with the gambling companies, with the casinos. What do you think about Mark? He's a jack guy making gazillions, if you know him. Oh, is that Mark F? Yeah, I know that guy. Mark F from the Trendlines Discord. I've heard about him. Apparently he does make gazillions. Apparently he does. I would even argue it's demo money on stake for the influencers. Yeah, bro, it is 100%. 100%. Let's go. Chat, look at this. See, this is exactly what we saw, right? Where did we see this on the 1 hour? Look. What did we see? Last time we closed respecting here. We closed, and then the next candle wicked up to this area around here. And then you get a bearish close. And we're looking like we might have a similar thing right now. We can close bearish here, chat. If we can close bearish, we should be good. Especially if the 4 hour can respect somewhere like 2330. To be honest, even respecting 2332 is enough, right? This level on the 4 is really, really strong. A massively strong level. So closing respecting that is good. Yeah, closing below 2330 would be even better, right? But the 4 hour is going to need a bottom wick anyway. You're going to need a bottom wick. So if you can close bearish right now on this one, oh, the 1 hour looks juice. That looks really fucking clean. Or the 30, sorry. We can try and take it on the 30. Yeah, we'll see. Either the 30 or the next 1 hour, because I do expect you to reject off this level here. You should be looking to reject off that. The amount of times that you've tapped into this level and rejected is crazy. A lot of the times, sometimes you come up a little bit higher. But most of the times, the first time that you tap it, you still come down and fill the range, right? The first time you tap this, you come and fill the range. And you do it again. 18 pip stops is illegal, I know. I know, we got to take that back. 16 pip stops. That would be ridiculous. I think probably you'd have to put them above the 4 hour high up here. That'd still only be 38 pips, 40 pips. That would definitely be the safest thing, but we'll see. But just in a big range. Yeah, no, 100%, 100%. Would be funny to hit a positive RR trade. New experiences. Yeah, we've hit a few in our time. Onion plays mostly. If we can pull back in the next 5 minutes. Oh my days. This might fill the range actually, chat. I can't lie. Might fill the range. But if we could pull back in the next couple of minutes, that'd be ideal. Let's see though, chat. Definitely potential here for a trade. So lock it in. See what happens. And yeah, where's the Telegram group at? You have a car? Nah, I levitate. I like fly to places. It's quite cool. When I want to go to the gym, I just sort of put my arms out like this and I just hover there. It's sick. You should try it. What levitation boots do you have? Nah, I don't use levitation boots. I've got built-in ones. Can I buy some for you? What do you mean buy some? Some cars? You can buy me a car. Got 3 minutes here. Lock it in, man. Lock it in. Can we grab a nice trade to fill this range right here? I think you should be good to fill the range, to be honest. Levitation potions, yeah. Every time we tap into this range, we reject off of this area. You can't close weak bearish though on this 30. You have to close somewhat strong bearish. I can buy you like 4 euros if you want. Yeah. Alright. Deal. Oh, we start to reject here, chat. Interesting. 5 minute flipped. 30-minute flipped as well. Looks like he doesn't want us to have this position, eh, chat? Insane. Good job. How you doing, brother? Place the buy limit at 23.21. Let's see what happens. Far away, my boy. But yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah, we're going to get a position here in 1 minute and 30 seconds. We're going to close above. We're going to close below. What's going to happen? You do technically have room up until 33, sorry. But now it's only 13 pips away. It's a little bit... Oh, what the fuck? Okay. You know what? I'm going to stop talking until it closes because we don't know what's going to happen here. Remember Windang? Yeah, he came in the other day. Mr. Mindang. The 200 pip goat right there. That guy has left that guy came in, first day he was here, left a legacy, and then just decided to vanish into thin air. There's a couple of these mystical blokes that we have in here. We had Mustafa. I came in, predicted the price, and then just disappeared. Then you have Mindang. Came in. Was in 200 pips of drawdown. And then exited in profit and then disappeared. Insane trend lines law. Why did that open on that screen then? It was on the other screen the whole time and then just decided randomly to open on this screen. Okay, chat, so the 30-minute close below here. What's gonna happen? You gonna make a top wick? No, you're not. Good. That's really good. Fantastic. Nah, chat, it doesn't actually matter, but we are going to have to wait for the... That's tough because the flip would have given us a 10 pip advantage point for the wick fill, which would have been nice. Yeah, if you would have come up first with the top wick, you could have been break even on the wick fill at 10 pips. That would have been really, really nice. Mindang set for life, bro, for real. Gonna flip again. You have a girlfriend? Yes, I'm his girlfriend. He's not gonna shag you. He's got a boyfriend. Brilliant. But you weren't meant to tell him about me and you. We were meant to keep it a secret. Can't believe you've done this. What's good, bro? What's good, man? What's good, Mark? What are you talking about? What do you want? Man's camera's 8K. Yeah, trust me. The setup right now. We leveled up a little bit. I can't lie. I went from possibly the worst webcam in the world to some brazy camera. DMs, bro. I'm on stream. What do you mean DMs? I saw that you sent me a fucking. You sent me a reel. I'm not gonna check it on the stream, my boy. This guy. I swear to God, about 10 times a day I get a message from Mark that just says Sam in full capitals. This might feel the range here, alright? No FOMO. We're gonna have to wait for the 4-hour close because listen, I'm not taking that on a no top wick. You trade a funded account or personal capital? I trade a bit of both, bro, but mostly personal at the minute, to be honest. I've literally been. I was saying this earlier on stream. I don't know if you probably weren't in here, but I'm working on a project right now on a personal account, and I want to show you guys that it's easy to scale up a personal account without dropping like 25% risk. I'm trying to scale it by doing anything below 5% risk, which, yes, obviously, chat is going to take longer unless you're going for some mad 5-to-1 IRR trades or whatever, but you know we don't do that. I want to show you guys that's possible too, because I understand that, like, yeah, funded's a fire, of course, but yeah, there's other options, right? And what's your name? My name's Sam. My name is Sam. Welcome to the stream, though, my boy. Welcome. I've entered buys. Hopefully that plays out for you, brother. Hopefully it plays out. Didn't you break your camera? What do you mean, Nicola? What do you mean? Didn't I break my... No, I did not. I did not. I got super angry at a Rocket League game and broke the camera, yeah. Bro, did anyone see Ronaldo miss a penalty last night? Could never be my GOAT. That could never be my GOAT. You wouldn't see Messi miss a penalty. You wouldn't see it. Bro was crying. I know, he started crying as well. Nah, to be fair. Nah, I don't think crying is an L, to be honest. I respect that. I think there's, well, not crying, but I think there's a lack of passion in football right now. Like, the England squad don't really seem like they care. If you start to have England players, like, crying because they were upset that they fucked up or whatever, or, like, you know, then you'd be like, I rate that. At least they're trying. But they don't seem like they care as much, you know. Hey, have you taken a trade yet today? No, not today, my friend. Not today. I'm going to wait for this 4-hour close, and I want to see what happens here. Because we've projected off this area up here at 2332, which is an area that we've come and tapped into many, many times, right? And we've rejected off that quite a few times, I can't lie. So, and this range is pretty choppy, I'm not going to lie. We're in quite a tough range right now. We were looking for sells off this candle here, but we didn't manage to grab that. That's okay, though. I can't take a candle just because this previous candle closed with a Thor's hammer. It doesn't mean I can just take the flip or whatever. For me, I still need a closure, so that's why I had to wait for the 30. Okay. Thanks, SG, for the journal. It's helped me a lot the past 2 days to be disciplined. Yeah, good shit, bro. Good shit. I'm sure it's gonna... Oh, he's back, bro. What's good, man? Good Mustafa. Is that the Mustafa? It might be, you know. But yeah, I'm glad it's helping you, bro. That's what it was designed for, right? That's what it's designed for. Should character take second penalty? Yeah, true. How you doing, Robbie? Bro, last week I took three wins, but one L, I took a pineapple, which took all the profits plus more. How can I fix this issue? I only took a pineapple based on structure, but it kept moving against my direction, so I took an L. Well, the first thing you could do is probably stop taking pineapples. That probably would have solved your problem. Secondly, depends on how big your stops are, right? But you need to try and figure out a way to cut your losses. You need to figure out a way to cut your losses before they run. So, for example, you saw the trade we had the other day. Not the one on Friday, because that had to run to stops because we didn't get an opportunity to manage. But the previous loss that we took way before that, our stop loss was like 50 pips. And we managed risk at 20 pips in a loss because we understood that it was going to continue downwards. We managed risk at 20 pips and it actually ran and hit the full stops in the end. You save yourself like, 30 pips there. That's the same as if you let the trade run all the way and then the next trade you took a 30 pip win, right? It's the exact same thing. Even though that would be 1 L, 1 win in the record, technically. If you can you can shorten your loss, i.e. close it early, then that's a huge win, right? Essentially, at the end of the day, your goal as a trader is to try and minimize your capital at risk and minimize the amount that you're losing. So yeah, don't be afraid to cut losses. What is that quote? That 99% of traders hold on to losses too long and cut winners too short. So yeah. Robbie, get the journal that I released and take your trades in there, and then you'll see whether you should be cutting your losses, whether you should be taking pineapples or not. It's going to teach you a lot of the statistics. Sorry, it's not going to teach you the statistics. The statistics are going to teach you a lot about your trading, is what I meant. Mark, that is... I know what that is already. I don't even have to watch it. That's a terrible fucking... The chat, you filled the range here, like we expected, right? So the analysis was on point. It just so happened that we couldn't get an entry, but it doesn't mean we won't get an entry on today's stream. We've got a lot of time. And yeah, we'll see what happens in 20 minutes time. Good, Remy, bro. How you doing? How can I get your strategy, please? Yeah, Zulu sent it in, right? But you go to the free course on YouTube. Just go to that link that's about to be sent there. And then, yeah, that's going to teach you everything. There's a new episode of that coming out either today or tomorrow. And yeah, that's going to teach you a lot. A lot. Bro, chat, if you're new here, we have a free course, right? We have the free streams. We have a free Discord. We have a free journal. So you're telling me that these 4 free resources, if you use all of those right, you can become a much better trader. I don't want to promise you profitability or anything because that's not ethical, right? But those 4 things are going to teach you so fucking much. That's a ridiculous amount of value that most people will charge for, right? So, like, come in here. There's no upfront cost or anything like that, obviously. And just take notes, bro. Literally take notes. Just because it's free doesn't mean it's any less valuable. You offer paid courses. Yeah, I do one-on-one mentorship, and I do I have a coaching group where we have calls every single day at 8 PM UK time, which is great. It's also signals, but mostly it's about the coaching call. And yeah, that's about it though. Bro, you don't need to spam the message. I've seen it. I'm just answering another question right now, yeah? In which time do you draw lines? The 1 hour time frame or the 30 minute? There you go. You don't have to spam the question, my boy. What time do you come live? The live stream starts at 8 AM UK time. So we started about an hour and 40 minutes ago, right? See the clock in the bottom right here? It was about an hour and 40 minutes ago that we started. Hi, Elsa. What's good, Guilito? How you doing, brother? Jack, can we drop a like? Obviously, like I just said, all of this is free. Completely free value. If you drop a like, let's try to get to 100 likes. That'd be really, really cool. The streams have been growing like crazy, right? We've been literally just increasing exponentially. And it really does help out the channel. Like, it really, really does. And the rest of it's free. So the only thing I ask for is that one little like. But yeah, man, you guys are killing it with the support recently. You really are. So I want to thank you all for that. And yeah. Yeah, man. Why do you draw lines? Why do you draw lines? You see an artist? Yeah, I am. Should be common practice to like on the way in. Came from the knowledge to like it. I appreciate that, bro. Bro, my mate the other day asked questions about girls and all. He's under a strict diet and he's not focusing on girls but himself. Hey, let's go, Robbie. I'm glad to hear that, brother. I'm glad to hear that. But if he takes the advice that we spoke about on the stream last week, he's gonna do very well, and you know, in that area. I don't want to talk like I don't want to say I'm some like I don't know, fucking get women masterclass or whatever. But it's very simple, you know. It's very common sense, right? If you just look after yourself, make sure you're the best version of you, you're gonna get better in life. You know, you're gonna have better results. Let's say. Can you give us a quick tip to always get the perfect support and resistance? Because sometimes it just doesn't make sense to me. Yeah, that's a good point, Golito. Let me do that, actually. That's a very good question. What I would say, bro, is the thing that I say to a lot of, like, especially the people that I teach one-on-one, right? What I would say is, firstly, obviously, you want to look at rejection areas, right? So when you're looking at the candle like this, you want to go ahead and, like, find all the areas where price is rejecting. So let's see, like, you have areas like this down here, right, where you've got rejection area here, you have one here as well, and then you have, like, you know, wicks here and stuff like that as well. You have areas like this. You want to find those rejection areas. Once you found them, right, what you want to do is you want to try and, like, line them up with your line tool, I guess, right? The best way to do that is just to sort of stick, for me at least, put a line on the chart, see if it makes sense, right? So what you're looking for is, now this range is a little bit choppy, so it's a little bit difficult to show you it perfectly because it's a very choppy range. But you're looking for perfect rejections, right? You're looking to see whether this area has been respected. So 23.23 right here, you can see how, like, we tap into it exactly on this level here and respect it. You can see how, you know, I'm about to sneeze. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, so you can see how it's respected over and over again. And then what you can do is, like, if you see an area like this where it's, you know, not quite, it hasn't not respected it, but it's just broken through a little bit, you can sort of push it down. Essentially what you're looking for is you're looking to make it, I always say this and it sounds way too simple, but you're looking to make it look as nice as possible, right? If you have it being respected as much as possible, it looks nice, as in there's nothing breaking through it or whatever, then it's gonna be respected more, and that essentially means that the zone is more valid. That's a bit of a weird explanation, but it's actually the way that I think about it in my head, right? So for example, if you see, like, you have an area like this, you see that if we do break through it, we continue upwards, right? There's no, like, small breakthroughs, there's nothing like that. It's respected here and it's respected here. Very, very simple, right? And you see it's respected here, etc. So that's essentially what I'm doing. And then you're always putting it on the body of the candle, not the wick. But that's like a basic thing. I also have a proper I have a proper video on that in the free course if you want to check it out, bro. It's a lot more comprehensive than the one I've just done, but I don't want to. There you go. I don't want to make it too difficult, right? Bless you, thank you, Remy. Fazo, what's good, Fazo? Flu, nah, bro, it's hay fever. Not flu, man. Be ready to clips, Beyond. That's funny as. I got ready. What's up, Akosi, bro? How you doing? What's good? What's good? Marco, how you doing? Trendlines, how much of an impact does core CPI for euro have on gold? Not much, to be honest, bro. Not much. Because I think you've got to think about it this way. You're trading gold against the dollar. You're not trading gold against the euro. If you were trading gold against the euro, which I think you can do. Yeah, you can. Then yeah, it might have an impact, right? Because this essentially CPI for the euro affects the euro. The only way it would affect gold is if they said, I don't know, something came out about fucking someone in Europe, a country in Europe not buying gold anymore. Like what happened with China, right? China said they're not going to buy any more gold. And the price dumped. And then they obviously went and bought a shitload of gold after that price dumped. But still. I see, thanks a lot. Nah, you're all good, bro. Good question. Good question. I like that chat. I like people that come in and ask questions, man. Especially, it shows that you're, eager to learn. It's great. Absolutely great, man. You're starting to reject here, chat, after 30 minutes. The 4-hour close is coming in 11 minutes here. Like we said, if you can close respecting somewhere around 2330, that'd be absolutely ideal. 2330.4, I'd say. Below there would be great. For sells, that is. I think we start to reject here, to be honest. You'll see that the daily, I mean, yeah, previous daily was bullish, but we've tapped into areas where we like to reject, right? These areas here, you see every time that we come up and tap into these 2338, 2337-ish, you look to reject quite heavily, and we did that yesterday. And then the next candle that follows that is normally a bearish candle, so I would expect gold to push down, but obviously that doesn't mean that it will. It quite obviously just flip up and flip on the daily and continue to push. Like, that's very, very possible, of course. And if it does do that, then we'll look to take some buys. But right now we're just waiting, man. Saddam Sultan, what's good? How you doing, brother? I want to kind of use this, actually. Wait, is that... Oh, that's chalked. I would have used that, but it has the different 4-hour. That's so tough. It has the different 4-hour candle. That's upsetting. Oh well, we'll stick to Owanda. Stick to Owanda. It's not a problem. Oil is pumping. I don't even know how to trade oil. The first pair I ever, or the first thing I ever traded was oil. Crazy. Nightbot got you. Thinks you're posting links. I can still read it though. I'll read your question in a sec. 1 second. Yeah, the first thing I ever traded, chat, was oil when I was about 17. Right, I made like a... I know you didn't post the link, bro. It's fine. I made like an account with Trading 212, which is like some shitty... Technically it's a broker, I guess. I think it's more of like an investment thing. But I started trading oil on there. I put like £1,000 in when I was 17. And I woke up the next morning and it was saying margin warning. Or like margin alert or something like that. And this was the time when gold went to negative. I bought gold at like... I bought oil at like $5 a barrel. And I was like, there's no way it goes further down. And then it went into negative. I was like, ah, shit. Then I put more margin up and it kept going down. Then eventually, yeah. I actually think I closed in a smaller loss. I think I saved myself a bit of money, but pretty much got margin called when I was like 17. So that was my first experience with trading. I don't know why I decided to continue with it, but there you go. SG, do you see a monthly profit every month or even weekly basis? You're profitable week in, week out, and that must be great for your confidence. How do you then keep positive mindset after 1 to 3 losses? Bro, you just have to think about it in a bigger scale, right? You have to think about it year to year. I'll give you an example. I'll give you a good example. So we have, since February, we haven't had a losing week, okay? And until last week, we had 17 trades in a row that were winners, right? 17 trades in a row that were winners. Last week on Monday, we took a loss, okay? And then the very next day, we made that back. But then on Friday, well, we took a few trades this week, like last week, sorry. We were about to end the week up in about like 10 pips profit, something like that, 15 pips profit. Friday, we took a trade and it ended up in a loss, okay? A 45 pip loss or a 47 pip loss. That was our first losing week in ages, right? Since February. And it was only a small loss, right? Like 20 pip loss for the week, which is fine, or 30 pip loss. But then what you have to do is you just have to go and look at the bigger time frame, right? You have to say, okay, this quarter had 12 weeks. Out of the 12 weeks, 11 were profitable. And then you have to say, okay, how much profit did I make this quarter? Oh, we finished the quarter at 710 pips profit. So why would I care about 1 losing week or two losses in a week? It's going to happen. You're going to have losing weeks. We'll probably have a losing month at one point. Like, it's going to happen. It's fine. It really, really is fine. But you just have to think bigger. I don't care about what happens today. I don't care about what happens tomorrow. I care about whether this, you know, this quarter or this year or whatever it is, I care about being in profit. And that's all that matters, right? I don't care about anything else. Actually, the main focus should just be, am I a better trader than I was last year? Yes, okay, fine. Yeah, it's all about longevity. That's why I'm moving away from the prop space a little bit, because there's no longevity there, man. I mean, there can be, but most of it is not. Yeah, man, exactly. Chat, daily flipped here, so you'll notice though we're in a bit of a tough spot because you have a daily you have quite a strong daily resistance at like 2333 areas around this point here, 2333.9, 2334, which is, it makes it a little bit tough, right? If we drop to the 4 again, it's just a little bit choppy, but you know, you have quite a strong rejection area here, like we said, like we discussed, right? 2334 is the same area of rejection. 1 hour flip though as well. That's interesting. I wonder if people got caught in sells here. I wonder if people got caught in sells. Range fill should be decent though. Yeah, if we can come and close above this area. What did we have before? 2330? Yeah, around there. If we can come and close above this area, we should be good to push up to around that 2334 mark. It gives you 23 pips of range with only 32 pips up. So it's not too bad. Not too bad. Sales right now are pretty much off the table. Even though we're coming to the top of the level, right? I'd want to see... For sells, I would want to see either this candle flip, or I'd want to see us come up, grab some liquidity from around 2338-ish, and then I'd want to see 1 bearish closure, and then you've got the onion play coming down, right? That's essentially what that one is. But that's what I'd be looking at, to be honest. Until then, yeah, man, we'll have to wait. Three minutes here, chat. Lock in a little bit. Let's see if we can get a nice little closure. Every time you've closed above this 2330.9 area, you've filled the range, right? Every single time. You come up to at least, as a minimum, you come up and tap. Where was it? Yeah, here, where we've just tapped now, right? So if we fill the range here, there's gonna be nothing for me. We need a pullback. We need I need to see this 5-minute candle here pull back a little bit. I'm gonna be back in 2 seconds. Yeah, literally 2 seconds. Yo, we're back. See you in a bit, Christian. 4 AM my time. See you all later. Nice. Yeah, I'll see you in a bit, man. Chat, good. We have 2 minutes to closure. Can we close somewhere around this area? That'd be nice. As I was saying, right, you've got some room to push up here until around 2331.4, I would say. You've grabbed a lot of liquidity too. That's important. You've grabbed so much liquidity. So yeah. Let's see. 1 minute 40 seconds. Obviously, if you start to reject and close below, then the trade doesn't apply. Oh shit, that's a big rejection on the 5. No top wick, no bottom wick on the 15 too. It's crazy. That doesn't affect anything, chat, unless we flip, obviously. But at that point, it's kind of fucked. Nah, we need a stronger closure than this as well. But I'm going to need a bottom wick also, chat. That's it. That's important. I'm going to need a bottom wick. What am I? Yeah, I am now. Now that we pushed up here. Got some volume coming in there, chat. Wow. Okay. A lot of volume. That's good though, that's a good sign. 30 seconds here, man. Is that volume going to be what's going to push us down there? It looks like it might. I'm rejecting quite strongly here, chat. Not ideal. What's the wick fill here? 4 pips. It's not too bad. That you closed here. What do? Need a bottom wick first. That's not a bottom wick. I need a bigger bottom wick than that, chat. I can't take a 1 pip bottom wick. It doesn't really count. Okay, is it listening to us? Pop down a little bit further, would be nice. Let's see, chat. What do we do here? There's no gap on my broker as well, by the way. On my broker, there's no gap, but on TradingView, there's a gap here. It's funny. Okay, chat. Cool. I think I'm gonna now have a buy stop on the break of this candle high. Actually, Oh shit, yeah. Got in buys here, chat, right now. Off the break of that candle high just there. It flipped super fast just then. But yeah, I literally just got in buys. The moment that candle broke that high just there, there's a lot of volume in the market right now, so I'm hoping to see if this can push us up. Now chat, listen, remember, same as always. If this position doesn't turn out to be a win, then you know the drill, right? You know the drill. We're gonna, you know, manage risk appropriately. Remember, if you take the trade, it's your trade, it's not my trade, okay? It's not my trade. It's not, well, yeah, technically it is my trade, you know what I mean? But if you take it, you have to take responsibility as well. You have to take that responsibility. Okay, chat, but stop loss is going to be down at 2328.2. And take profit is going to be up at 2334 flat. Reason for this trade is that the 1 hour just came and closed above. 4 hour closed strongly. I'm expecting to fill the range, to be honest. Every time you've closed above here, you've come and tapped at least 2332.8. So I think you should, if you re-break the highs here, you should be good to push up. You've come down and broken the lows, grabbed a little bit more liquidity, which is great. Now we just need to see a re-break of the highs and a push. The break-even point is going to be this wick fill up here at 2332.5. Yeah, and other than that, chat, that's the position I just got in. See what happens here, man. Let's see what happens. I do think you should be good to fill at least this wick, though. Let's see, man. Let's see. Good, Max. How you doing, brother? Okay, chat. We're coming up here, looking to break the highs again, potentially. We have a strong push here. You did break the highs. I'd like to see it push now. Okay, it's rejecting off that high again. That's a little bit tough. Not ideal, but obviously very early on into the candle still, right? If this 4 hour was to drive down, you'd expect it to at least need to grab some liquidity, right? You wouldn't really want to see this 4 hour just push without any liquidity at all. Yeah, if I take the same entry on your trade on my alpha account, is that allowed? Technically, it's not the same entry, right? You've waited like a shitload of time, and we're like 6 pips down right now. So yeah, you should be good. Should be good, man. Just don't put the exact same stops and the exact same take profit. You should be alright. Oh shit, chat. We just disconnected and reconnected. We just did that thing that we always like to do. It should be better now, though. You should be fine. Should be back. Chat. Again, just as a point of information or a point of, I don't know, thought, I would take this trade again right now if I wanted, like, even though we're in drawdown, I'd still take this trade. This trade is still valid. We grabbed a shitload of liquidity from the downside before. I don't see why we would, you know, not continue to push up, especially after closing above. But yeah, in my opinion, this trade is very, very valid. Okay. In about 10 pips of drawdown right now. I guess you could look to use the 4 hour stops too. That's probably a little bit safer. They just are a bit massive, to be honest. Viewers though, I know, bro. Trust me, it's so funny. Look at those huge bottom wicks as well. Lots of liquidity grabbed. I know, bro. I know. So much liquidity being grabbed here, chat. If you flip and break the highs again now, I do believe you'll push. Just need to see that happening, right? That's important. 5 minute closed here. You've grabbed sort of a bottom wick without much of a top wick. Yeah, we went from 110 to 181 people. Yeah, kind of. We went from like 120, yeah. Crazy. Chat, there's definitely a fucking someone's got a Telegram group. Someone has a Telegram group, I swear. Hey, yo, SG's in an entry. Quick. Where'd you get in? I want to see if my entry was shit. My entry was at... Mark, you're in the signals, bro. You can always see what my entry is. You can just go and look and it tells you the exact price. It was at 2331.4. Yeah, man. Just came to leave a like and spread some love. What's good? What's good, Gabriel? What's good, man? Yeah, chat, that shit's crazy, you know. The view spike on the trade is ridiculous. Trust this guy, fam. He's the G of London session, for real. I appreciate you. Appreciate you, man. No aura trade. Wow, Mr. OK's back. What's good, bro? How you doing? Let's see, man. Can we break these highs? No aura. Maybe I don't have aura. When will you come to Greece again? Ah, bro, soon, I think. Soon. Yeah, I think soon. Bro, I love Greece way too much to not come again. But I don't really go to the mainland ever. I always go to like an island. 5-minute flipped here, which is nice. Be good to get like a 5-minute bullish closure. That'd be even better. Monaco. Yeah, I'm going to Monaco on Friday, so I'll be there. Chat, if you do like the stream and you are getting some value out of it, please drop a like and subscribe if you're new. We are definitely getting a crazy amount of value here. You're getting free trades, free education, free everything, man. Free journal, free course. Whatever you need, you've got it here for free. So just make sure you like and subscribe. If we can get to 125 likes right now, that'd be very, very appreciated. Yeah, much appreciated, guys. You're killing it recently. You're absolutely killing it. And yeah. Let's see if we can kill it on this trade, man. Let me feel the wick here, though. We're starting to reject off this level. I don't even know if there's a level, but we're starting to reject at sort of our entry. I guess there is right here, a minor one, but I believe this is a fake out. Yeah, you are starting to reject right there. Did we re-rate the highs? I didn't see just then, chat, did we? I don't think we did. No, we didn't. We didn't re-rate the highs. Okay, that's fine. Or I flipped. Yeah, it did. It did. You need to re-rate these highs, chat. That's literally what you need right now. That's what we're waiting for. This 5 can close bullish. That'll be great. Nice little bullish closure on the 5. Give us like an onion play leading upwards. Let's see, chat. Let's see. See what happens here, main. I heard JP say that if you get 100 likes on the stream right now, we'll hit TP. That's just what I heard. What I heard, man. Jerome Powell, the man himself. Mark, bro, get on the phone to JP. I know you've got his number. Get on the phone to him right now. We break the highs here, chat. Yeah, why is that there? Why is that all the way over there, bro? Jerome, he said he'll pump it. Alright, that's good, man. That's good. Glad Jerome said that. It's a 5-minute close bullish here. It did close no top wick though. Hopefully that doesn't have too much of an impact. You broke the highs as well. So you should see a push here, hopefully. Or potentially, let's see. Detected JP is in Pattaya. Where's Pattaya? Oh, Thailand. Oh yeah, shit. You might see a bit more drawdown here, chat. The 5-minute closed no top wick, and then it came up and made a top wick and flipped. Sometimes when you see that, you see a little bit more drawdown. So just be careful on that one. But we'll wait and see here, chat. Obviously, the trade's not based off the 5, right? So, you know, You can't really manage off of that, of course. TP's at 23.34 here, top of this range. Why you tell me to enter? I blew my account now on the wick. Classic. I know you didn't, bro. I know you're too smart for that. Need some volume to start saving for the Trendlines trip. Yeah, trust me. Put all your profits in the Trendlines trip account. We'll all save up and we'll go to fucking somewhere crazy. Deal? Alright, deal. Need to see a push here, man. I have no clue why you've grabbed this much volume and you wouldn't push, right? It doesn't make much sense to me in my brain. I've got gazillions to spend. Crazy, man. Gazillions is a lot of money. Wait, what? I don't even see Baron. Why are you saying? Oh, there he is. What's good? What's good? What's good, bro? I don't know if to say your name or not. My $10 will get us one drink. Nah, bro. $10 in. Let's go to Thailand or something like that. $10 will get you like 1 million drinks. 10 beers. I had to reject it, chat. Interesting. Not a number. Why this guy tell me to enter, lose a trade? I can't tell if you're being serious, bro. I don't think you are. Does money bring happiness? I'd say anyone who says money doesn't bring happiness is an idiot. It definitely does bring happiness. If people tell you that it doesn't, then they're broke. Like, truly. Or they're just an idiot. Yeah, we've got a 15-minute close here in 40 seconds. I'm gonna close like almost doji, I guess. Interesting rejection there, I can't lie. Doesn't make too much sense to me. Other than this 5 no top wick. What was the max we saw there? I think we saw like 5 pips max. 6 pips. Crazy. Yeah, 15-minute closes in 17 seconds. Remember, this is... Oh, it's not anymore, but it was a bearish candle, right? Because of this gap, you have to be careful. Yeah, so right now, that's actually a bearish candle, not a bullish one. Okay. You just have to take that shit into account when you have gaps like that, because it can change the way you look at the charts. New 15-minute open, bottom wick, that's fine. That trade's based off the 1 hour there, right? Oh shit. Keep doing that, chat. I keep like pushing the thing away. Now the 15 gaps on my broker. What's wrong? What's up with these gaps recently, chat, eh? Pips again, bro. We did, man. We did. We're undecisive right now. We're undecisive. What's the RR on this? I think it's like 0.9. Yeah, 0.9. Probably closed earlier though, I'm not gonna lie, so it'll be less than that. My sir, is this gold or gbpjpy? It's gold, brother, it's gold. Hello, dear SG. What's good, Ali? How you doing? What's good, man? It's been gapping recently for real. Yeah, no, 100%, man. It's gapping like crazy. It's weird. People who say money doesn't buy happiness are the super rich ones, bro. Because for us, the poor, it can really make us happy low. Yeah, true. True. No, I think the super rich are happier. You don't see them giving away their money, right? I switched to FXCM. Isn't the 4 hour different on that though? I swear the 4 hours different on that one. I know it's not. Okay. Not too bad then. I'm gonna give this candle a fat uppercut to make it flat. Yeah, do it. You know what we gotta do actually? I haven't done this in a while. I haven't done this in a long, long time, right? But turn that off for a sec. Not working, chat. It's not working. Not working. We'll try again later. We need some scooter. Nah. None of that. I think the candle is watching a stream right now. Yeah, I think, to be honest, the market makers are watching the stream. That's what it is. It's got to be it. Nah, it was working. It's going to dump now. Maybe. Yeah, I think the market makers are watching us. Can't lie. That's the only logical explanation right now. Yeah, bro, they hunt our stop loss. Yeah, trust me. You know, like in these big offices in London and New York and everything, they have these long boardrooms with like huge tables where like 50 bankers sit around. They have that right now, like a really long boardroom, and like all these people in suits and like old glasses and everything. They're sat and the projector's right there, and they're just watching the trendline stream, and they're just going, "Fuck, dump it. He's in a trade right now. Dump it." That's what they do. They literally sit there. Crazy. I have a friend at JP Morgan. He told me, like, "Yeah, bro, you were on the big screen the other day in the office." I was like, "What?" It's kind of crazy, but I understand it. They don't want us to win. No, they don't. I got GIF you on Discord, Sam. What is that, my boy? Mark said put this picture on screen and it'll pump. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Have you already placed your order? Yeah, we're in a bit of drawdown right now. I'm not gonna lie, we're in 12 pips of drawdown. Part of the game. It's ripping here, chat. Wow. 5, no top wick is good though. If it can flip, or it might just take us out straight away. Realistically, chat, there's no reason why this doesn't run. Maybe it needed some more liquidity, fine. But if you do flip and re-break the highs, I don't know why it wouldn't run. Every time here, you feel the range. How sure are you with your order? I want to place one too. You gotta be sure to place it, not me. Yeah, man. You're never 100% sure, right? But I stuck to my plan. That entry was completely part of my plan. It's a very valid trade in my opinion. If it's a loss, it's a loss. Who cares? Literally, who cares? It does not matter. It might be a loss. It might be. I'm not gonna say it won't be, of course. But the trade I would take again if it formed tomorrow. I would take the same trade again, right? So I'm not worried. In my opinion, that's a very, very valid trade. Gee, how did you post on Twitter whilst on stream? We have some magic going on behind the scenes. That's a very valid question, I can't lie. You're ripping down here, I can't lie. If you start to get like a 30 closure in here, we might have to look to manage risk, but realistically, look at the 4 hour. This could purely just be a 4 hour bottom wick. The only thing I'm worried about now, chat, is if we come and break the 1 hour lows and then reflip, right? Because technically it's a 4 hour open, so you should use 4 hour stops. But obviously 4 hour stops are massive. I didn't really want to use that. Gonna be 2 L's for me this morning if this is stop loss. Bad luck, lol. Yeah, that's unfortunate, bro, but it is what it is. I mean, we haven't hit stop loss yet, right? Just no top wick on this push as well. It's crazy. See what happens here, chat. I do believe you should come back up here, though. Especially if you re-rate this high, you will feel the range. Chat. $29.3 is quite a strong level here that you're tapping into, right? Hopefully you can start to reject off of that. You have a 5-minute close here though. But the previous 5 did close sort of no bottom wick, sorry. See what happens here. Got a lot of volume too. But if you have the margin, it might not be a bad idea to move to the 4 hour stops. Now, I don't know how you guys feel about that. The 4 hour stops is probably most valid. I don't want to move stops right now, especially if you guys have calculated your risk off of that. I would feel bad if you'd be over risk because of that, you know what I mean? You do you, man. We'll see. 5 no bottom and no top wick. I know, bro. $82 pip stops is quite big. We can get a bullish closure on this 5, that'd be it. Real nice. Really, really nice. 2 minutes time until that happens though. Strong bullish closure, leading to us continuing upwards. It would be a 30 close, but at the same time, trade was based off the 1, so you sort of have to have some faith in the 1 and the 4 hour. Yeah, to be honest. Yeah, bro, I'm going to chill a bit and draw down stream, and if we get to 120 likes, I'm going to hop back in the charts. All right, volume. Yeah, you heard what he said, man. If we get to 120 likes, the volume's going to come back into the charts. Previous 1 hour grabbed a mad wick as well. I know, bro, I know. Looking for a reaction of 23.28 for buys. Yeah, might be the move. Could be the move there, chat. I think I'm gonna move. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna move my stops to the 4 hour stops. To be honest, what I would say is if you did percentage risk and you're now a little bit over risked, I'd say maybe close half here or something to manage your risk. But the most valid stops right now are the 4 hour. So I'm going to do that right now, because I feel like we can break this 1 hour low quite easily and then reflip. Look at the 1 hour right now. Look what you have. Look at the amount of bottom wicks you have and the lack of top wicks. I do believe you should be good to continue upwards. I'm really not sure why when we came and flipped and rebroke the highs up here, you didn't push, right? That was a very clean play, especially up here when you rebroke this high. You should have really driven. I don't see why it doesn't fill the range, to be honest. What, to the upside or what? Yeah, I agree. I don't see why it doesn't fill that range. There's one time when it hasn't, and that's that. Other than that, every single time it fills the range without fail. The stop loss is better, bro. I think the 4 hours just making a steeper bottom wick. Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. I was just a little bit like, because I know what it feels like if someone moves a stop up like halfway through or whatever, and sometimes it's not the best, but I agree. I think this is way better for stops. I was telling you the reason, but you didn't want to listen. What do you mean, brother? What do you mean? Tapped it like 3 times, but you were busy playing music. Hey, come on, bro. Just type it again, brother. There's a lot of people in this chat. You can't get hurt if I don't read one message. Okay, chat, 30 closed here. It'd be nice to make a bottom wick first, or at least just, if we could just rip up, that'd be fine, but bottom wick first would be ideal. Yeah, Mr. Okay, I'm actually gonna put in timeout, my boy. I don't like your energy. Can't lie. We have positive vibes in this stream, chat, right? If people come in and they're not positive, I'm gonna time them out, because it ruins the rest of the vibe, right? We have positive vibes all the way around, and yeah, man. If you don't have that, look at that. You just broke the 1 hour lows and then started to reject a little bit. That's interesting. agree. Yeah, man. Well, it's just like, what is it? One bad apple spoils the crop or some shit like that. But the point stands, right? If you have one person being negative, the rest of the positivity is not, yeah, not going to be good. I said there's so many rejections in 30 minutes and 15 minutes up there. I wanted you to comment on it. 30 minute and 15 minute. When you close above 23.30 on the 30 minute, you came up this time. Yeah, you came up to at least this level here, 23.33. This time you filled the range. 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 This time you filled it. This time you filled it. This time you filled it. Every single time on the 30 minute you closed above here, you filled the range without fail. 15 minutes. 15 minute, yeah, same again. You tapped into this 23.32.8 level, which we haven't tapped yet. Other time we filled the range. Then we filled the range again, filled the range again, filled the range again. Every time we fill the range. So those, yeah, they're not a problem for me, really. Where can we take pineapples? There's no pineapples yet, definitely not. I suppose the only thing you could look at right now is if we come down a little bit further and then get a bullish closure, we could take an onion play on the way up, but I'm not gonna lie, it might not play like that. We got haters. Let's fucking go. We made it. What's good, Josh? How you doing? Now, we had some before, but I like to keep the positive atmosphere, so I like to cultivate a nice little thing here. We've only had like one or two, but yeah, man. See what we can do here, chat, though. So you did break the 1 hour lows. Hopefully you can start to see a rejection here too. The volume started to die off as well, which is interesting. But chat, subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate you all very, very much. Yeah, man, make sure you subscribe and like the stream. If you're new, this is the volume center, the free education center, everything like that, right? You're gonna get everything you need here for free, which is crazy. Yeah, man. Let's start to see some rejections around this area here, right? This is an area in the past that you've rejected off of. I just don't understand, chat. Like, no, I don't understand, but it's counterintuitive to have this much liquidity being grabbed, and then yeah, and then you don't push up. It's very counterintuitive. Stop loss hit for you, yeah. If you had the 1 hour stops, your stop loss is hit right now, which is tough. I'm sorry to have that happen to you. I just moved mine down a little bit more because it was above the wick. So yeah, it's still exactly where it was, 23.1. But I just moved it down because mine was a bit higher. We good? Nah, yeah. No emotions. Wick fill perhaps? Yeah, potentially. But chat, I still think this is just a 4 hour bottom wick. I think you should be good. But yeah, look at all the rejections you have in this area, right? Once you tap into 23.26-ish, you start to reject heavily. Maybe you come down a little bit further, but we should be okay, man. Look at the daily, look at the 4 hour. I don't know, we'll see. There'll be lots of buyers sitting at 23.26. Yeah. You'd hope so, right? Well, you'd expect so, I'd say. SG's figured out the infinite viewer glitch. The YouTube infinite viewer glitch. Yeah, it also could be coming down to grab this no bottom wick here. It's done that now. If you start to see a rejection here, then my boy Hugh is actually the GOAT for the no bottom wick strategy. That's so funny. But yeah, decently strong rejection there, chat. How much you risking now, bro? Let me see. I believe I'm risking about 5% now, 4%. Yeah, about 4%. Discord almost has 1.5k people in it. That's crazy. Yeah, chat, join the Discord as well if you haven't already. Completely free, obviously. But yeah, super, super valuable in there. What's good, 8 hour? How you doing? Let's see if this 15 can flip. Sorry, the 30 can flip. You might be alright. You might be okay. Yeah, let's wait and see here, chat. Let's wait and see. It was like 1k 1 or 2 months ago. Yeah, it grew a lot with the journal release, to be honest, but I haven't been pushing it as much, but it was growing super fast at like a while back. I already know someone over risked and blew the account. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough. Especially since we had to move stops. Like, I understand it. I do understand. But yeah, you should still be risking only like 1 or 2%. Because we like basically doubled the stop loss. So the max should be 2% risk here. Obviously, I'm on a personal, so it's a little bit different. But I mean, on a funded. And the 30 flip here, chat. But the thing is, chat, if the 4 flips now, you should be more than good to fill this range, right? You should be chilling. Look at the amount of liquidity you've now grabbed. Extend TP if we flip. I don't think I'll extend it. I think where it is now is good. I think we'll just be a bit less aggressive with closing, right? Like, if you break the highs on the 4 hour, you should fill this range. I suppose, yeah, you could probably put your TP up at like, I guess, 2335.4. That is if we flip, right, chat? Obviously, we're not guaranteed to flip or anything. A monster 4 hour bottom wick. Bro, look at the amount of liquidity we've grabbed, right? You should be good to fucking push here. Looks clean on the 4 hour and the 1. Yeah, realistically, you'd like to see the 1 hour flip before the close, though. You don't want to see a bearish closure here, really, on the 1 hour. Not what I'm too interested in seeing, I can't lie. Classic gold, stop loss hunt before flipping. Yeah, not yet, man. Not yet, Rosie. Wait, it wasn't even Rosie. It looked like your photo. One Punch Man. Let's give One Punch Man. Yeah, not yet, because you know we haven't actually done it yet. You know what I mean? Like, you don't want to. It's a saying, right? Like, no cigar, or it's not over till the fat lady sings, or whatever. If you can still say that, but you know what I mean? Like, you are grabbing liquidity, but job's not done yet. Job's not finished, as Kobe said. You know, you might still end up pushing back down. There's no guarantee we don't hit stops here. Obviously, yeah, it's nice that the 5's pushing up like that, the 30's pushing up like that, and then it flipped. That's great, but again, it's still no guarantee. SG fat phobic? Nah. Nah, I never roasted Rosie. It's just the same color, man. Same color profile pic. In the corner of my eye. That 5-minute bottom wick, maybe? Or is gold even respecting bottom wicks right now? Or are we just going to push? Are we just going to drive straight down? Who knows? This is the biggest stops we've had in ages, though, chat. 80 pip stops is quite big for us. Be nice to see this 5-minute flip here. Be really, really nice. Boss, do you recognize key levels using higher time frame to mark them, because this flipping bounce out from weekly key level 2327.1? I actually didn't know that, but yeah, nah. No, I don't really, to be honest. That's cool though. That's a good sign. 5-minute flip would be even nicer. What's up, brother? What's good, Eddie H, bro? Welcome back, man. Long time no see. What's good? What's good? Just get out of it. Don't take big losses. We can't move the markets. If we're wrong, we're wrong. Very true, but nothing's telling me that I'm wrong yet. We were definitely early, but nothing's telling me I was wrong yet. Don't worry, Rosie. I just thought you sent a message in, but it wasn't you. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Have a buy stop on the break of the 30-minute high. Nice, bro. Hopefully that plays out. I mean, hopefully for both of us, right? Good, Bedge. How you doing, man? Yeah, I'm not looking to stack or average down or any of this shit, right? I don't want people to over risk. I don't want yeah, any of that stuff. Woke up a bit early and saw you were on, so I got on. Yeah, nice, bro. Good stuff. You joined in a drawdown stream right here. Calling me a hater's funny. Is that a different account? I also never called you a hater. Crazy. You just have bad energy, my dude. Nothing against you. You just have bad, like, you don't have the right positive energy. Yeah, you're breaking the lows again here. You might see a push down. Joe Physique. I mean, you can look at my Instagram for my physique. My physique right now is not. I'm bulking quite heavily, and I've just woken up. I'm not going to show you my physique right now, but you can look on my Instagram. I guess, like, this is my physique, I'd say. Oh, wait. Which one is it? Do I have any photos? Not really, right? I guess this, yeah. Bro, that's crazy, Alex. That's crazy, my boy. By the way, I replied to your DM on Instagram just in case. That's the physique there. Bench PR 150. No, sorry, I failed 150. 140 is my bench PR. 140 kilograms. Chat, we're pushing down here. So the next level where you might... Okay, the 15-minute close, no bottom wick. That's decent. The next level where you might see a reaction is 23.25.9, somewhere around there. And if you don't see a reaction from there, you might just blow through. You really might just blow through the whole thing, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes, you know? See how it goes. Eddie came in here with bad luck in our trade, bro. Came in and starts ripping down. Damn, that is good. Thank you, brother. Getting hungry right now, though, chat. I can't lie. When pineapple? Luna, you're fiending for a pineapple on my days. No pineapple. Yeah. No pineapple yet. I'll message back when I get the change. Grinding this delivery job, fuck me dead. Nah, you're all good, bro. I wasn't saying like reply. I'm just saying, like, you know, I did reply. No matter. The good thing is, if this thing flips, I'll have a lower entry. Yeah, true. Where stops at? Stops are here, 2323.1. This makes no sense to me, but you know, it is what it is, chat. So you tapped into that level now. This 15 can flip and close bullish, strong bullish. We'll look to have potential pineapples off of that. Yeah. If we respect this level, push up, we'll look to take a pineapple for sure. We need a bullish closure, right? Right now we've just not even had one bullish closure. Makes it a little bit tough. You need to respect this level there. Currently sat in about 50 pips of drawdown, chat. Buys are coming. Yeah, I feel it, bro. I feel it. Yeah, when you tap into this level in the 15, you often reject, right? So, see how that one goes. Good level to take some buys, to be honest. You also kind of want the 1 hour to close above, I'd say at least 26 as a minimum. Also, stops now are the daily lows, so if you break those daily lows, you should be good. Alex, you can edit it and edit the selection range in the trade taking sheet. Yeah, you can, yeah. Is it a 15-minute order block? I've got no clue what an order block is, my boy, so I don't know. Yeah, this is the area you'd expect to see a rejection. Now, if you don't see a rejection, then realistically, there's nothing we can do. You're just going to rip and hit stops. Yeah, man, it is what it is. But what I'm going to do, though, is we'll extend our TP because realistically, you should, if you fucking flip now, like, you should be good. You know? But yeah, listen, like, this is just gold being gold, you know? We grabbed a shitload of liquidity, still decided we needed more. But we've seen something like this form before as well, you know? If this 4 hour starts to decide it wants to flip, then we should be good, man. This flips, it's going to fly to 2340. Yeah, I believe so. I believe so, man. I'd like to see this 15 flip. If this 15 can close bullish, we'll take a pineapple potentially. Are you going to manage your trade if the 1 hour doesn't flip? It depends. I need to see how we close here. Realistically, I want to see us close above 2325.9, 2326 essentially. But at the same point, I think there's a very high possibility that we are just grabbing liquidity for the 4 hour bottom wick here. I don't really know why you'd be. I don't think we've made the move for the day, right? So I don't think we've made the move for the day, and I think that the move for the day will be upwards now after grabbing so much liquidity. So I'm expecting us to just push up, but again, you might not want to do that. I can't move my stops any further than daily lows, right? I don't like moving my stops anyway. That's pretty much the first time I've done it. But yeah, oh shit, did I just close trading view? That's crazy. Where even is my trading view? That's insane. Full ass backdrop there. That's crazy. How did I just manage to close that? Play some Rocket League on stream. Yeah, I could do, you know. Draw down Rocket League stream. I'll just have like a cutout of the chart in the corner. You can just see whether we hit stop loss or take profit or what. The rest of it will just be me playing Rocket League. That's crazy, Danny. I'm not sure about that, bro. You can download TradingView as the app. Yeah, of course, bro. The TradingView app's sick. You gotta use that. You can't be using it on browser. What rank are you? In 2s, I'm champ. Champ 1. But I don't really play often, to be honest. But I'm using it on Chrome. Noodleholes, you can't be doing that, bro. Nah, the app's way, way, way better. Because what you can do then is you can do like a split screen. So you can have like 2 screens. Oh my fucking days, bro. What is wrong with this thing? How do you guys not know there's an app? That's crazy. Yeah, why is this not working? Yeah, chat, no word of a lie. My trading view's just gone off. See, my trading view on the browser never closed itself. Now that's user error, my boy. Bro, today was a learning day for me. Broke my plan twice, took 2 L's, took a sell after price drove without a pullback, then jumped into this buy without waiting for the 30 to close. Yeah, man. I just joined the stream again, bro. What the fuck happened? What do you mean what happened? We're just in drawdown right now. It's part of the game, man. You might be coming for this 30 no bottom wick. How did you get in such a position? Because we wanted to, right? That's part of the plan. Might be fucked. Maybe. Maybe, but as I always say, chat, right? This trade is not going to break me, right? If I take this loss, I don't really care. It doesn't matter. Right? Whereas, you know, if you're over-risking, you will. But listen, this trade was a part of my plan. I stuck to my plan. I followed what I was trying to do. And yeah, I don't care. I don't care if this takes a loss. Yeah, it's not going to affect me. Yeah, it'll be a big loss. Well, not even a big loss. It'll be a big loss in terms of like what we've taken in the past, but we'll still be massively in profit for the year. Like crazily in profit. And yeah. This is the decision point right now. You're either going to reject here or you're going to push up, right? You've rejected here in the past. You're going to do one of 2 things. You might just hit stops there, and if it does, who cares, man? Signals are still up, bro. Signals are still up massively. Signals are up by... Let me see, my boy. Signals are still up like 620 pips this year. $620 pips this year, even with this loss. If we hit, that's assuming we hit full stops. If we don't hit full stops, then we're still up 700, obviously. You know what I'm gonna do, chat? You know what I'm gonna do with this? I'm not gonna close anything. Sorry, that made it sound like I was gonna close. What I'm gonna do after the stream is I'm gonna go and I'm gonna journal this trade, right? I'm gonna go and I'm literally gonna journal the trade and I'm gonna learn about the statistics behind it. I'm gonna give myself some more data, and yeah, that's what we'll do. And then we're gonna become a better trader purely off of this trade. That's it. That is it. If you can, yeah, if you can learn from every trade, then no trades are a loss, right? Every trade is a win. Heart attack sentence. Yeah, true. My bad. Yeah, we're getting close to stops here, alright? So just keep an eye out. Interesting. If we can see a rejection here, that'd be quite funny. Realistically, if the one closes here, it's not the best. You wanted it to close respecting, I mean, it's still technically respecting 23.24. It closes here, but it's not the best, to be honest, chat. You wanted to see it respecting 23.26, I'd say. That's like the minimum level you wanted to see. But this could just rip down for all we know, chat. Would be funny if it hits TP now, lol. Good short, bro. That'd be the craziest short. Trust me. It's a healthy mindset, always room to learn more. Yeah, exactly, man. Thanks for the journal. Always appreciate mate, much appreciated. Yeah, no worries, brother. I'm glad you appreciate it. Massive candle, I know, bro. We got some sniper drawdown there. Actually, technically we didn't. We had about 6 pips profit. Six pips profit. I wasn't gonna go break even at 6 pips, chat. You know me. Can we have one bullish candle closure? Just one. This whole time we've had like literally none. I mean 1 5-minute, but like had no bullish candle closures the entire time. Yeah, just be careful here, chat. Listen, you might just there's volume that's going to come in towards the end of this hourly close, right? Hopefully it's bullish volume. You never know. It could just be let's see. You did grab a bottom wick for this candle though, which is a good sign. It's a good sign. Are you able to push up here? If you look at the 4 hour though, chat, it really doesn't look bad, eh? Quite a clear bottom wick on the 4. I don't know. We'll see. Low liquidity sweep on the 5-minute. That's nice. Which part of the UK are you from, if you don't mind me asking? I'm from the Midlands, I guess. I don't want to say specifically, but yeah, the Midlands. 5-minute flipped about 30 seconds before the closure. Not ideal. Not ideal, chat. We'll see here. But it looks like we're going to close below the level, which is not the best. You might see us hit stops here, chat. I think the possibility that we hit stops is quite high here. Also, the WAP links in the description all come up with error. Oh, my bad. I need to change the description then. But the WAP link is this one here. It's literally just wap.com/trendlines-VIP. I love this channel. Just joined in today. Hey, welcome, bro. Welcome. I appreciate the feedback and the positive support. We're gonna hit TP or stop loss either way. Yeah, you might be right, bro. You might be right. Well, you're definitely right. It's gonna hit one of them. It will hit TP. Watch. Imagine the plot twist. I don't know, chat. I don't know. What we could wait for is wait for a bullish close above. You might break the lows here. You could wait for a bullish close above 23.26, basically, on either the 30 or the 15. That could be an area for buys. But you're coming very close to stops right now. If this 1 hour candle can flip, that'd be nice. Right, the trade is not valid anymore. Okay, bro. Maybe it's not. We are about 10 pips away from stops, so why would I manage right now? Especially with no top wick on this 1 hour candle. This 1 hour candle can 9 pips away, sorry. This 1 hour candle can flip and close above. We'll look to maybe add some more positions, but if it takes the low, then we're going to be out. But we're already pretty close to that anyway, so there's no point of me doing anything right here. If I just closed right now, you would have been like, what the fuck, SG? The 1 hour's just flipped. Let's see though. Let's see what happens here. You know, it would have been nice if the 1 hour closed with no bottom wick. That would have been huge. That would have been huge. Let's see though, chat. Let's see. As I said, man, it's not gonna make or break us, right? Be nice to get a fake out for you guys now. Yeah, that'd be huge. That'd be huge. No top wick first is kind of nice. What we'll do is if we come and flip up and make a top wick, we can sort of we can put our stops below the low maybe, but again, not much point. I believe at least move stop loss to psychological level 23. That's about it. Just arrived. Should I enter with a 10 pip stop loss? I don't know, bro. I don't know. If it's part of your plan, then do it. But if you're doing it because of this trade, probably not. Wait and see if we get a pineapple. That's what I'd do if I was you. Wait and see if we get another position. If we can come and close back above the level here, 23, 26, I'll take a buy. I'll take another position. The ones that get broken by trades are literally the YouTube live hoppers that take one trade from one person and another from another and so on. Keep one strategy and trade it accordingly. Yeah, 100%. 100%. Yeah, man. Well, I can very easily tell who is who, right? Very easy for me to see which person comes in and is a stream hopper and doesn't know how to trade, and then which person is either on the way to being profitable or is profitable, just by the way they talk. It's very, very easy to tell. And you guys can definitely tell too. I'm a stream hopper. It's my first time here. Yeah, for sure, bro. Which streaming platform do you use? I use OBS. OBS. Did the 30-minute, did the 1 hour just flip? I think it did. Yeah, it did. I'm bullish, yeah, me too. Hobbies, gym. I don't know, that's about it. I like cooking, I guess, but yeah, man, the 1 hour just flipped here, chat, by the way. Hopefully you can start to see a push up. TP incoming, yeah, maybe, we'll see. Chef SG Jam. Bro, I cook up some mean food, I can't lie, Raze. Can't lie. I'm nasty in the kitchen. Which level are you considering for a buy? I want to see a closure somewhere. To be honest, just a bullish closure, a strong bullish closure, potentially above 23.26 on the 30-minute, or on the 15 or 30-minute, either one, to continue up. Right? I think we've grabbed a lot of liquidity here. I think you're good to continue. Guys, just buy limit, full port at his stop loss, we will win. Yeah, you sound profitable, my boy. You know he's nasty in the kitchen, Cryptomaniac. Blends onions and drinks it. Wild. Bro, that is wild, I can't lie. Even wilder is Mark blending up tuna and water and just sipping on that. That's insane. That's serial killer behavior. So you flipped on the you flipped on the 30, grabbed liquidity, flipped on the 30, and then you just decided, nah. If you don't exit the trade, technically you don't lose, you're just in drawdown. Yeah, I guess. That you rebroke the lows here, you might see us hit stops. I don't know who they follow on social, but those stats is insane. Yeah, trust me. Remember, if this hit stops, which it looks like it might right now, it's just one trade out of many, right? Yeah, it did just hit stops. Okay, chat, we hit stops there. So, minor, we move, right? That's just one trade out of many, many trades, okay? So, I want you guys to understand that we are literally, you know, we stuck to our plan on that trade. We stuck to our plan. The daily just broke the lows. I think realistically, our position was valid. I'd take the same trade again. I would not be worried about taking a similar trade. And yeah, chat, it is what it is. We move, right? We move. We're going to journal it. So I'll journal it right now. Why not? So we took, what day is it today? It's the 2nd, right? The 2nd of the 7th. Oh shit, wait. Am I not typing here? 2nd of the 7th, 2024. Pair is gold. Time, I'm going to leave that till afterwards. I can't remember what time it was. Took a buy. This lot is just a random. I just put the same one for everything. It's not actually the real size. Setup was a breakout on the 1 hour. Actually, 4 hour. Break of the current high was the entry on the 1 hour. High time frame confluence again was actually, let's do that. 1 hour. High time frame confluence was the break of the current high on the 4. You're an inspiration, man. I'm learning a lot. I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate it. Stop loss basis was the overall range right now. That was 84 pips. Biggest stop loss we've ever had. Also the biggest loss we've ever had. 1 hour. No, that was a 4 hour stop loss. My bad. 4 hour stop loss. B point was the wick fill. We didn't get to go B. Traded over to fill the range. Previous candle large wick, and that grabbed 80 pips of liquidity. It's crazy. How did it grab 80 pips of liquidity? We ended up minus 84, and the reason was stop loss hit. Then after that, what do we have? Exit time, I'll put that in later. Max drawdown we saw was obviously the 84 stops. Did we have an exit opportunity? Yes, we did. We could have got out break even. What else? Stop loss is hit for, yeah, minus 87. And then optimum close was about 6 pips. Did you stick to your plan? Yes. And then I'll just put a link in. I'll chat. Watch this come up and hit. Watch this come up and hit take profit now. Watch. Looking at it as well, up a different entry back to B on the 250k funded, working towards this payout. Yeah, all good, man. All good. Damn, this loss erased all previous. Nah, it really didn't, bro. It really didn't. This is we're still up 648 pips from last quarter. It didn't wipe out anything, bro. Trust me. Yeah, man. We're chilling. We're chilling. This journal's new, right? It doesn't have all the old entries. If you want to look at the old entries as well, you have to look at this one. But yeah, chat, like, we're still up 648 pips for the quarter. Yeah, man, look at all these. Hi, bro, how can I get access to the journal? I like to use mine. You go to exclamation journal right there, and it's going to give you the thing. Yeah, chat, this is where you don't look at the charts now, because this might just sweep the lows and continue. But it also could just rip down, right? So, you know, each to their own, I guess. But chat, drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already, man. I know we took a loss there, and it is what it is. But you just have to understand that that was a lesson for us. We are, you know, evolving every single day. I'll take the same trade again tomorrow if it plays. And then, yeah. How do I copy your journal? Go to that link right there. Go to that link that I just sent. Then you got to go to this little thing here and then just click get access. It's completely free. And once you get access, you'll come to this page here. And then you just click, it's going to say view only. So then you click file and you click make a copy, and then you make your own copy. But when you do that, it's going to ask you also some other stuff, right? Like you have to click OK for that, and then it's going to ask you something here, and you click OK. And that's it, man. Very simple. Very, very simple. But chat, let's play some pixelers. Let's I just typed beans into Google. That's crazy. Instead of pixelers, I just typed the word beans into Google. Yeah, man. Let's run the pixelers. Chat, you can tell, right? This loss means nothing. I'm not like, oh, for fuck's sake, like I'm not stressed or anything. It is what it is, man. Maybe Euro news affecting the market. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. Like, if this loss affected you that badly, you need to sort of reconsider how much you're risking, right? Change layout, please. Oh, I got you. I need to get a dedicated pixelers layout that I switched to. Yeah, someone help me out here. Think your stop was a tad bit high? Maybe. But it's going to come if it breaks the lows anyway. Stops was the daily low as well, so maybe it was, maybe it wasn't. Oh well. Chat, someone help me with this word, man. Why can't I think? I know it's an L, but how's that not a word? Wagon, bro. Josh comes in here straight away and guesses the word. You're doing some mad calculating behind the scenes. I know it. I know it. All right. Beans is clutching up today. Good Nicola, Saxy. Yeah, dwarf. That's the play. I don't know if you're allowed to use that word anymore, are you? I don't even know, bro. BL. M. I don't know. What's the next letter, chat? It's actually not necessarily an L. Ah. Yeah, that's gonna be it for today, man. Hacks, yeah, 100%. I got stream hacks on. All right, that's gonna be it, chat. Listen, don't let that L affect you too much. Don't let it hit your emotions, any of that stuff. We move, right? Same shit again tomorrow. We go again. Yeah, absolutely nothing wrong with that trade. I'd take the same entry again, and yeah, you guys have got to understand that, you know, sometimes we take losses. We had a crazy streak the last few months, and now maybe we took a few losses, but it is what it is, man. We move, chat. Anyway, if you're trading in New York, make sure you trade responsibly. Make sure you have a great rest of your day. And other than that, guys, I'm going to see you same time tomorrow for the stream, 8 AM UK time. Other than that, catch you all later. Have a great one. Bye-bye.